So when talking about branding and marketing, there are different things and approaches and experts that can chime in as to how you should do it. I'd like to talk about a few things that I feel at my core are super important that you should do. Probably the thing that is most noticeable out the gate is your brand as well as your logo. So take some time. There are different services out there, whether you decide to spend a lot of money on getting a professional logo, services like Fiverr or Upwork that can generate a logo in a matter of days. After your logo, you need to advance to setting up a website. Now, I'm going to tell you that you need a website for a few reasons that are near and dear to me. For example, when I request a service at my home, maybe it's just me or maybe it's you too, but I want to validate my feelings for requesting a bid to ensure that they're going to do a good job. I like seeing John at landscapingpro.com versus john@gmail.com. To me, it's important because if that person's willing to skip a step and not go through the process of paying $10 to register their domain for a website, there's a good chance that they skip steps when they come to my home and do my service. Do things the right way, don't skip steps. The next thing after a website is getting social media set up. So often people can't find businesses because you're not present where they are. Having a website, showing up on Google, maybe running some PPC ads, but also showing up on social. As you know, people buy from people they like, know, and trust. And oftentimes when a business starts, you are the brand, you are the face. So I encourage you to each day, no matter what you're doing on the job, showcase it. Put your face in front of it so that when that person actually does go through with submitting a form for a request for a proposal or bid, in essence, already have the upper hand because they know you. With social, you're able to put your name, your logo, and use it as a way to drive new interest, new leads, new business. I'd recommend that you start following all of your competitors. In many ways, it's a copycat league. And by you seeing what others are doing, you in turn can repurpose that content to put out things of your own. We talked about social media, but we can also talk about more traditional methods. We've won a lot of different business just by putting yard signs in people's yards, high traffic areas. I've hired my cousin to go put out 300 door hangers on people's doors. All of these things can combine to generate new leads and more business. Again, let's make sure that we don't skip steps along the way. I'm not saying it has to be done all at once, but having a website, getting social up and running, those are must and needs out the gate. When it comes time to turn on ads or look at different things from SEO or PPC, you can make that decision whether you're doing it internally or looking for outside help. All those things combined are going to help you on your marketing and branding efforts.